Hello everyone. So today we will solve SSTF dish scheduling shortest seek time first. Okay, we have the work queue. We also have the number of cylinders, that is 200 cylinders from 0 to 199, and the head starts at 50. So let us start writing the solution. So first of all we will make the number line. So now we have to write the initial as 0 and the maximum as 199. Okay, so let us write it down. So cylinder starts from 0, okay, till 199, and the read write head is initially at cylinder 50. So we have to allocate at 50 now. So let us mark that, and then we will go from the work queue. We will find the minimum seek time from the current head position. Okay, so first of all let us allocate all these. So 20, 40, then we have the 50, then 70. Okay, so 70, and then 90, and then we have 160 over here. Okay, so we have to calculate the minimum seek time from the current head position. So we are currently at 50, and minimum distance is from the 40, because 50 minus 40 is 10 only, and 70 minus 50 is 20. So it will go towards the 40. So let us mark this, and then we'll make one line over here. Okay, and then after 40, where will it go? 40 minus 20 is 20 only, and 70 minus 40 is 30. Okay, so it will go towards 20. Okay, so now after 20, where will it go? It go directly to the 70. So let us make a point over here for the 70. Okay, so from 20 it will go towards 70. Let us mark over here. So let me make a dotted line. Okay, so now a point over here, and then line from 20 to 40. Okay, so now it will go directly to 90 and then 160, because we have already completed the request for cylinders less than equal to 50. Okay, so now let us make a point for 90. Let us first of all make a dotted line over here, and then we will go towards 160. Okay, so now let us make that dotted lines. Okay, now we will make a line from 70 to 90, and then 90 to 160. After making those lines, we will then calculate the total head movement. So now let us make a line from 90 to 160. Okay, so now we will have to calculate the total head movement, which is just the number of tracks it took to move from one request to the next one, and we will just add the differences between both. Okay, so let us start writing the total head movement now. So total head movement, initially it was at 50 and it went towards 40, so we will have the difference of 50 minus 40. Then from 40 it went to 20, so 40 minus 20. Then from 20 it went to 70, so 70 minus 20. Okay, so 70 minus 20. Now it went from 70 to 90, so 90 minus 70. And then in final stage it went to 160, so 160 minus 90. So let us calculate the summation now. So 10 plus 20 plus 50, and then 90 minus 70 is 20, and then 160 minus 90 is 70. So 30 plus 70 is 150, plus 20 is 170. Okay, so we just found out the total head moment. So whenever you get question for the SSTF, you just have to make this number line, and then we have to start at the initial head, and then we will calculate the minimum seek time where we can go, and then in the final stage we will just add the difference between the movement. Okay, so we got the work queue like this, and we started from initial till 160. Then we calculated the differences over here, and then we got the answer as 170. Okay. And SSTF has the advantage that it decreases the average response time and it also increases the throughput. But it needs to calculate the seek time in advance, and if there is a higher seek time for another request, then it has to go in starvation. Okay, so it will wait a lot, and there is a high variance of response time as SSTF favors only some request. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you have any doubts or you want me to make video on a particular program or topic. And if you want to access complete video series on a particular programming language, then go to my playlist section, or you can just click on the playlist link from the description of this video. And till the next video, study more, worry less, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Bye bye.